In this part of Me Learning Hugo series, looking at build options. I'm Room Connor from roomconnor.com. These video series are me learning the Hugo static site generator. They're not tutorials. I'm just filming my way of learning things, and they're needlessly long. So if you're looking for a tutorial, just go see another video. All right. Okay, build options help define how Hugo must treat a given page when building the site. All right, stored in a reserved front matter object named build. So build.md, is it? No, it's just you just type this in the front end. Okay, list always, publish resources, render. Okay. When to include a page within page collections. What does that mean? Include the page in all page collections. For example, site regular pages, pages. We haven't seen these yet. Come on, what does this mean? Like, what the heck is that? Use this option to create fully navigable but headless content sections. This is the default value. Always is the default. Site regular pages or dot pages. Okay. Include a page in local page collections. For example, regular pages, pages. Well, how is that different from site.regular pages, ma'am? Use this option to create fully navigable but headless content sections. Headless content. Never. Do not include the page in any page collection. Okay, I see. Applicable to page bundles determines whether to publish the associated page resources. Always publish resources. False. Only publish a resource when invoking its permalink. rel permalink publish method within a template. When to render the page. Always render the page to disk. Render has a meaning, probably. Did they have a reference? What happened? Nope. Okay. Do not render the page to disk, but include it in all page collections. What does that mean? Render the page to disk. Never render the page to disk. And exclude it from all page collections. Okay, so you don't have to actually delete a file. You can just, render never to exclude it from your site, I guess. All right, great. They have examples. Create an unpublished page whose content and resources can be included in other pages. Content, headless, AB, JPEG, leaf bundle, home bundle. Okay. Set the build options in front matter. Can we do that? Content, headless. Content, new folder, headless. And what? JPEGs. Let's get a couple of pages. A couple of puppy pictures. English, please. I'm going to use this as an example. I think that's fair use. Download, Let's call this A, and that one AB. Let's get those into our folder here, indiaatlas.com. Open it. No. Pages. No. Quick start. Okay. Content under headless. Okay. I just got those things here. The files. What else are we doing? Index.md. Leaf bundle. Headless index.md has this built thing. Let's new file index.md, and I'm just gonna copy and paste this YAML. It's too many. Okay. To include the content and images on the home page, layouts default home. What is that? With site get page headless content. Interesting. Page resources because we invoked the rel permalink. List resources false. List never. Render never. Headless page. That's the title. And I need to get a default home HTML in layouts. Layouts. New folder. Underscore default. New folder underscore default, and under that, new file index dot. What was it again? Home HTML. New file home HTML. Under that, we have this template. Okay. Published site will have this structure when we build it, I guess. We didn't build it yet. So let's get to PowerShell here. Where is my site? It's under Quick Start. It's in G, my G drive. Can I get there? Nope. About that. My drive. My drive. Come on. Web. The Indiaatlas. And we have Quick Start. CD Quick Start. Actually, I need to do this. Hugo build start. That's not build. What was the command? And all right, so it's not Hugo build. What is it? Hugo start. There was some command there. Hugo server. No, new site. Quick start. New content. Okay. Oh, Hugo server D. Okay, I think that's it. home U. Server D. Let's try that. Hugo cd quick start. And if you go server and localhost 13, my first post. What is this content headless index then? Not posts, static, public. Non-key, no. Stories, tags. It says the publish site, public headless index. How do you publish it though? Configure, Hugo server D. Okay, publish. There we go. Hugo. Okay, I guess that's the command. Control C. Hugo. There we go. Error. Building site render. Failed to render pages. Public post cannot create a file when that file already exists. Okay. Public post already exists, so it can't do that. What if I delete it now? Render pages, public post cannot, the same thing. There we go. Post page index, same thing. What the heck? Cannot create a file when that file already exists. Posts. Don't get it, man. A non-key, categories, images, posts already exists. What does that mean? Doesn't make sense. Static, nothing. Resources, just CSS. I don't see any of those A and B images either. I had allows default home. Is that? There's nothing in here. XML is just XML. Okay, I wasn't able to do this. Cannot create a file when that file already exists. Error make dir. Post already exists. Okay, public. Let's delete it again. How about now? You're gonna give me the same error, aren't you? Yeah. Good job. Post page 1. There we go. Can I go to there? There, go there. Public. What does that look like? Can I look at it here? Index. My post, my first post. Read more. Where? Where's my stuff? Okay. So where is it? There's nothing here. Post my post. I do not like this. Not doing what it should be doing. How about this? Hugo. locate config file. Okay, so cd quick start. That's to write, not secure, come on. And you have a Hugo toml file there. Quick start, Hugo toml. All right, Ananke is the theme. What else? If this is what it's building, then it's not going to work. Unless it's on localhost, maybe. File posts. Yeah, I think I need a server like this. On my machine. I could just use the Hugo server, I guess, to actually see this. Put the public directory contents there. I'm copying it to my www directory in WOMP. I need to get this thing in order. Okay, so forgot how to do this. Localhost. I do not want to use Edge. Come on. There we go. In the Atlas. My localhost now has it. And you can say it works, it doesn't work. Post my post. Posts. There is an index HTML there. Under post there is, but not under, yeah, under page. So that's not found. That's not found either. Hello? What's going on here? How about we go to headless? Can we do that? Nope. Doesn't exist anyway. All right, so this doesn't work. Turn this off. Exit. All right, I wasn't able to make this work, unfortunately. I'm reorganizing my server page. Okay. So I don't know what the heck is going on here. Headless section. I am going to skip all of this. Create an unpublished section whose content and resources can be included in other pages. Yeah, thanks, but no, I can't do that. I have no idea how to actually make this work. I don't know anything about themes, dude. You haven't, taught me anything about templates. This is like a reference, I guess, documentation. I wish there was like it had some kind of flow to it. It's just like a dictionary. Templates, functions. Okay, let's continue on. Build options. List without publishing. Publish a section page without publishing the descendant pages. For example, to create a glossary, blah. Set the build options in font matter. using cascade keyword to cascade the values down to descendant pages. Glossary index. Okay. Build render always. Cascade. Build list local publish resources false. Never render. Title glossary. Do not actually create a page that are named bar, buzz, and food. I think that's what render never means. Render the glossary, layouts, glossary list, HTML, do that. How nice. I think you both need this layout, default home layout, and then home, and the default MD in the site. Content, here, maybe default MD, new file, default dot MD. Not sure about that. So default home HTML. Or a home MD. I don't know. Let's try home MD. Rename to, oh, come on. Home. Can I select you? No. Home MD. Some kind of YAML here. Title home. Welcome to the home page. What? What's wrong? What are you doing? Can I do Hugo now? Hugo? Ooh, I got something different this time. How about Hugo server D? Let's do that. And go to localhost 13. My post. Visit the Hugo website. Where's the home page? I think I need to set the page type as a list. How do we do that? Content formats. Page bundles. Nope. Where was that? Headless true. Content format. New. This stuff. Don't matter. Categories, date, description, tags. Type of content. What does that mean? Use all these words. Kind page. Gate. Kind lang. Let's do this. Find home. Pages kinds, for example, home section. What is this? Do I type it like this? What pattern? Can I just say home? We'll see. Here we go. Okay. about now? I have some content in there. Why are you ignoring that? Find home? What about that? Nope, nothing. I just can't get the home page to show up. If I do this, do I use those? Oh God, do I use these quotes or not? Come on. Find page. This just gives you just says page here. Nothing else about page. If I do that, nothing. It just ignores it. Okay, why are you ignoring my home page? What if I change, what if I just delete this stuff and then do that? I see the headless now. I can't even see the headless content. Under content, there's a headless section, and it just doesn't show that. First post, my post, just shows the posts. It ignores everything else. And I don't get it. Same stuff over and over. Is it because of history? Nope. Same regardless. I don't know what the heck is going on here. Why don't you guys have like a nice tutorial thing I can look at? You have docs, themes, getting started. Okay, I got started. But what else? That was the build options. I was looking at these things. And then the examples I can't run without publishing. Yeah, no. Publish without listing. List never, render never. Sure. Conditionally hide sections. Okay, I have no idea what the heck these are. Moving on. Page resources. Images, other pages, documents have page relative URLs and their own metadata. Okay. Only accessible from page bundles. Those directories with indexmd or indexmd files at their root. Page resources are only available to the page with which they are bundled. So what if I change this home MD to indexmd? Let's try this. Oh, there we go. Now it's showing my page. Find page. If it's a list, Control C and then do it again. It's a list, it's not, it doesn't have any child items. So it's not a list. I do have these headless and post thingies. Why are you not showing them? Do they have something in their front matter that says not to do that? Nope. Nope. How do you, let's go back to page bundles here. How do I tell this bundle, manage bundle? Okay, do I need to have a, under layouts here, rename this to index.html? Layouts default index.html, or not, maybe not. Keep that as home, and I'll try to make this kind home and try this again. See what happens. Okay. This is not the page you were looking for. How do you know that? Reading my intent. Find home, and you got the layouts home. Default home. So this should be with site get page headless. This should be showing whatever is inside here, I think. It's all under content. Let's have a look again. Page resources, no. Set build options. Here under content, you got index.md, which is the home page. The leaf bundle. Another index.md under headless. This index.md, okay. And content, you need to have a, let's rename this to that. What happens? All right, now we got both. Okay, good. My post, my first post. Let's get something inside here. Headless page. Headless page. And let's try this again. Control C to stop Hugo server. Where's my headless page? Where are you? No, you're not here. Why not? Where are my dogs? Puppies. Leaf bundle. Home page and leaf bundle. Still can't include these in homepage. Oh, content headless index MD should have these. Okay, let's do that. Build never. Blah 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 blah. Okay, nothing here. So what's the purpose of that? Include the content and images on the home page. Do this. I have done it. Publish site will have this structure. I don't care about that. I have done this. The site get page headless content. So it should be this layout's default home HTML. Should be doing that. Find home HTML. I mean, what if I rename this to index HTML? Is that gonna work? Where are my puppies? I want my puppy. Oh, puppies here. My post, my first post. Come on. I have no idea what you're talking about, dude. You should have given me much less involved examples and shown me exactly what's inside these MD files in the documentation. Not clear to me. I'm not experienced in Hugo. The section leaf bundle. Note 2. Another leaf bundle. Branch bundle. Home page. Still, I think the layouts default here is not what I'm should be. There we go. Okay, I think I should be actually playing with not this. I'm going to rename this back to home and then take it, put it here. All right, and now let's try this again. Puppies. No puppies still. Layouts default home. Index. And this home. It says welcome to the home page. What it should say. But I still can't see headless anywhere. Got layouts under Ananke. It's confusing that there are two different layouts. One under themes Ananke and one just under the root directory here. Of course, I think this actually is used for overriding the theme, maybe. I don't know. Layouts default home. HTML. Page partials. Post. Rows. Single. That's the single page. Apps default list and single. Same kind home here. Maybe that's not how you do it. Don't matter. Is there anything else that I can use here? Slug description title. Type. Where's kind? Kind was here. There. Target specific pages. Cascade kind page. No. Pages kinds home section. Key types. Okay. content type. Okay, glossary of terms was what I was looking for. Typeset in font matter. Pages in the root of content directory, including the home page, are of the type page. Page type and template. See details. Which archetype template? Default MD. Okay, those are archetypes. Not really what I want. What about this? Type home. If I do that. Anything happen? Nothing happening. Okay. I give up at this point. Glossary of terms, let me bookmark that though. And that's under getting started. Forgot about that one. And that was build options, list, render, etc., etc. Headless page, headless section, list without publishing, and conditionally hide. Internal section is hidden when building the protection site. Set the build options in font matter. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, maybe. I don't know. I think that's enough about build options, and I'll see you guys in the next video.